Hello everyone, Jack here, and this afternoon, sorry for the lag, bits, internet, not very good, and today I'm going to build a PvP. So yeah, this is just the cameraman. He is on this cape. This is the cameraman. Yeah. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna build the PvP. Let's get started. So I need another. It's gonna be like another one. That'll look awesome when it's done. Now I'm gonna PvP the cameraman, which is myself. It's gonna be funny. I'm going fast to light the camera up, so I don't lose connection or dun. Yeah, it's gonna be like another one. Trying to go fast. Don't want to make this video too long. Okay, that's that. Make about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, should be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To where the cameraman can't see. Sorry. So yeah, so let's get started on this bit. It's too high. So that looks symmetrical. Yeah, that looks symmetrical, I reckon. Yeah, I might have to go soon because people, adults, they just are annoying sometimes. Then I need obsidian as a roof. Yeah, cameraman always has to catch up. Cameraman Jack. This is Steve to me, but he's using one chapter, so I couldn't be bothered to pay. So, yeah. But, yeah, you can see his skin. You guys can see his skin, but not me. So that looks okay. Might add some glowstone in the corners for at night. And might add some here. And then add string so they can't get out. So when you do BRB, guys.